Hey, welcome to 2 Minutes Pi. Have you ever wondered how Python enforces structure and consistency in object-oriented programming? Well, today, we're diving into the world of abstract base classes, or ABCs, in Python. In Python, an abstract base class, or ABC, is like a blueprint for other classes. It's a way to define a common interface or set of methods that must be implemented by any concrete subclass. Think of it as a contract that guarantees certain methods will be available. But why use ABCs? Well, they promote consistency and structure in your code. Imagine you're building a collection of fruit classes, each with its own methods. By creating an ABC, say fruit, you can enforce that every fruit subclass must have certain methods like have_seed or color. This makes your code more predictable and maintainable. Creating an abstract base class is easy. You can use the ABC module provided by Python, import it, and use the ABC class as a base class for your own abstract classes. You can then use the @abstract method decorator to mark methods that must be overridden in the derived classes. Now remember, you can't create an instance of an ABC directly. Once you've defined your ABC, it's time to create concrete subclasses. These subclasses will inherit from the ABC and implement the required methods. This ensures that all subclasses share a common structure while allowing flexibility in individual implementations. In conclusion, abstract base classes in Python are a powerful tool for enforcing structure and consistency in your object-oriented programs. They help you define common interfaces, ensure that certain methods are implemented, and make your code more organized and maintainable. So there you have it. Abstract base classes demystified. Thanks for tuning in, and that's all for now. Keep coding!